The Qualisports Volador weighs just 36 pounds and quickly folds into a compact size, making it always ready for easy storage and transportation. A fully folding and incredibly lightweight frame made from aluminum grade 6061 makes it a great portable e-bike perfect for daily use. The brushless 350 watts motor of the Qualisports Volador gently drives this folding e-bike to speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. The strong battery also has a range of up to 25 miles, good for mid-long trips. The multifunctional LCD display of the Volador lets you see the battery level, speed, back and headlight status mark, and many more. Its gear system, Shimano 7-speed transmission, allows you to find the perfect speed for your changing needs. The Qualisports Volador provides good top speed and range. The engine also provides a reasonable amount of torque. It also allows the Volador to handle inclines of up to 18 degrees. Combined with the grippy, 20-inch, air-filled tires, this e-bike is good for tackling uneven roads or pavements. Good for daily commuting, the Qualisports Qualibike Volador is recommended for teens and adults with daily school and works to go to. Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes, with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.